Many parents and grandparents have the same concern. I want to leave something to my child or a loved one with a disability, but I don't want to accidentally hurt them. And unfortunately, that's a very real concern. Because in some situations, leaving money directly to a person with a disability can jeopardize important government benefits they depend on. Hi, I'm Kristine Romano, founder of Kristine Romano Law. Today I want to explain how families can provide financial support for a loved one with a disability while helping protect their eligibility for programs like Medicaid and Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. For many individuals with disabilities, government benefits provide critical support. These benefits may help cover health care, prescription medications, housing assistance, long-term services and supports, and daily living expenses. Programs like SSI and Medicaid often have strict limits on the amount of assets a person can own. That's where families can run into trouble. A well-meaning inheritance, life insurance payout, or financial gift could unintentionally push someone over those limits. The result could be a loss of benefits that may take months or even longer to restore. The most common mistake is simply naming a child or loved one with a disability as a direct beneficiary. For example, a parent may leave a bank account, life insurance proceeds, retirement assets, or a share of their estate directly to that individual. The intention is loving and generous, but the outcome can create significant problems if those assets affect eligibility for need-based programs. That's why special planning is so important. One of the most effective tools available is a special needs trust. A special needs trust is designed to hold assets for the benefit of a person with a disability without giving them direct ownership of those assets. Because the trust owns and manages the funds, the beneficiary may be able to continue qualifying for certain government benefits while still receiving additional financial support. The trust can often be used to pay for things that improve the quality of life, such as education, transportation, recreation, technology, personal care items, and other supplemental needs. The goal is to enhance the beneficiary's life without disrupting essential benefits. A trustee is appointed to manage the trust assets. That trustee follows the rules established in the trust document and makes distributions on behalf of the beneficiary when appropriate. This structure helps ensure that funds are used responsibly and in a way that supports long-term planning. It also provides peace of mind for family members who want to know that resources will be available long after they're gone. Many people assume special needs trusts are just for parents. In reality, grandparents, siblings, aunts, uncles, and other loved ones may also need to consider them. That's because even a relatively modest inheritance can affect benefit eligibility. I've seen situations where a grandparent unknowingly left assets directly to a grandchild with a disability, creating complications that could have been avoided with proper planning. The entire family should understand the plan so everyone is working toward the same goal. While protecting benefits is important, special needs planning is about much more than finances. It's about creating stability. It's about ensuring continuity of care. And it's about providing a future framework for future support when parents or caregivers are no longer able to step into those roles themselves. For many families, this planning becomes one of the most important parts of their estate plan. When should you start planning? The simple answer is as early as possible. The earlier a special needs trust is incorporated into an estate plan, the easier it is to coordinate beneficiary designations, life insurance planning, family gifts, and long-term financial support. Planning ahead also helps prevent rushed decisions during a crisis. One misconception is that families have to choose between leaving money to a loved one and preserving benefits. In many cases, that's simply not true. With proper planning, both goals can often be achieved. Another misconception is that special needs trusts are only for wealthy families. In reality, families of many different financial backgrounds use these tools because the focus isn't just on the amount of money involved, it's on protecting eligibility and creating long-term security. At Kristine Romano Law, we help families create thoughtful plans that protect loved ones with disabilities while preserving access to important government benefits. If you have a child, grandchild, sibling, or other loved one with a disability, now is the time to make sure your estate plan supports their future the way you intend. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and learn how special needs trust planning can help provide security, flexibility, and peace of mind for the years ahead. Because protecting a loved one isn't just about leaving them something, it's about making sure the gift truly helps them thrive.